Bum 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 bum. One, two, three, four.
Hi guys! As you probably already know, Project O has held 3 workshops so far. This was our latest one, Angklung Workshop, where we teamed up with the Indonesian Creative Community of Australia, or known as ICCA. Angklung itself is a traditional musical instrument from West Java, Indonesia. It is made from bamboo and makes a sound when you shake it. By having several people perform together, this results in a melodious ensemble of any kind of song really, from traditional songs to modern pop. During this workshop, we had a good time learning how to play together with the participants, and at the end of the day, even everyone was able to perform a few songs as a group. Pretty cool, right? We have one last workshop, which is our batik workshop, coming up soon, so make sure you don't miss it. Keep an eye on our Facebook page and website for further details. Thanks for watching and see you then!